Right now, the average American owes over $6,500 in credit card debt. But here's what nobody tells you. If you only pay the minimum, that $6,500 could take you almost 20 years to pay off and cost you more than double in interest. Millions of people are stuck in this exact trap right now, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why it happens and the real strategy to get out. Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about breaking down money problems that actually affect real people, no fluff. Just facts and solutions. Today, we're diving deep into the credit card debt crisis, why it's trapping millions of people, the psychological and financial tricks working against you, and most importantly, a real, practical plan to break free. Let's get into it. Let's start with the scale of this problem. Total credit card debt in the US has crossed $1.1 trillion. That's not a typo, trillion, but how do ordinary people end up owing thousands of dollars on plastic? It starts small. A dinner here, a flight there, an emergency car repair. Credit cards are marketed as convenient. Tap, swipe, done. But that convenience hides a brutal reality. The average credit card interest rate is now over 24% APR. That's higher than most personal loans, higher than almost any other form of consumer debt. Here's the trap. Credit card companies only require you to pay a small minimum payment each month, often just 2 to 3% of your balance. Sounds manageable, right? But that's exactly the point. If you owe $5,000 and only pay the minimum, you could be making payments for over 15 years and pay back more than double what you originally borrowed. This is where it gets interesting, because escaping credit card debt isn't just a math problem, it's a psychology problem too. First, the math. Compound interest works against you every single day. Unlike a car loan or mortgage, where interest is calculated simply, credit cards compound daily. That means the longer you carry a balance, the faster it grows, even if you're making payments. Second, the psychology. Many people carry multiple cards, juggling 3, 4, sometimes 5 different balances. Each one has its own due date, its own interest rate, its own minimum payment. This creates what experts call debt fatigue. You get so overwhelmed tracking everything that you start avoiding it altogether, which makes the problem worse. Third, and this is rarely talked about, there's a fear of damaging your credit score. People avoid calling their credit card company to negotiate or avoid closing cards because they're scared it'll hurt their score. That fear keeps people stuck paying high interest for years longer than necessary. Now let's get to what you actually came here for. How to get out. Step 1. Know your real numbers. List every card, its balance, and its interest rate. You can't fix what you don't measure. Step 2. Choose a payoff method. There are 2 proven strategies. The debt avalanche. Pay off the highest interest rate card first, while making minimums on the rest. This saves you the most money mathematically. The debt snowball. I'll pay off the smallest balance first for quick wins. This keeps you motivated, even if it costs slightly more in interest. Neither is wrong. Pick the one you'll actually stick to. Step 3. Consider a balance transfer. Many cards offer 0% APR for 12 to 18 months on transferred balances. If you qualify, this can be one of the fastest ways to make real progress, because 100% of your payment goes toward the principal instead of interest. Step 4. Call your credit card company. This one surprises people, but credit card companies will often lower your interest rate or offer a hardship program if you simply ask. The worst they can say is no. Step 5. Build a bare-bones budget. Redirect every extra dollar toward your target card. Even an extra $50 to $100 a month can cut years off your payoff timeline. Step 6. If you're seriously overwhelmed, talk to a non-profit credit counselor. Organizations like the National Foundation for Credit Counseling offer free or low-cost help. This is not the same as risky debt settlement companies you see advertised. Credit card debt isn't a character flaw. It's a system designed to profit from confusion and delay. But once you understand how it works, you can beat it. Pick one method from this video. Start today, and you'll already be ahead of millions of people still stuck in the trap. If this video helped you, hit subscribe. I'm covering more real, practical money topics like this every week. And let me know in the comments, which method are you going to try? Avalanche or snowball? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.